Assalamualaikum and a very good day, 5 Intan 2020. Just a quick recap on what you did last week, where you had your vocabulary lesson under Unit 6 Self-Protection, whereby you learned 36 vocabulary items. Congratulations to those who have really understood and copied everything into your vocabulary notebook. I am sure it will be very useful for you sooner or later. And today you are going to continue with vocabulary practice 1. It's about do's and don'ts. And you're going to do this using Wordwall. It's some kind like a word game. First, you just need to click the link I've shared. When you click the link, it will bring you to this app or game, Wordwall, Unit 6 Self-Protection, Vocabulary Practice 1, Do's and Don'ts. First step, enter your name. Please make sure you enter your real name. Click Start. Click Start again. It will bring you to these. And here are 12 do's and don'ts mixed up. Read carefully. If you are not sure, please refer to the textbook and your vocabulary notebook. Drag them here into their respective categories. It's either do's, which means perkara yang kita patut buat atau lakukan, or don'ts, perkara yang kita tak patut buat atau lakukan. For example, here, carry a lot of money to school. If you think this is one of the do's, so drag it here. And here, for example, bully others. If you think this is one of the don'ts, so drag it here. Okay, now I'm going to make it fast since this is just a demonstration. I'm not going to provide you with the answers, so I'll make the answers blur so you can't really see them. I'll just drag them anywhere I like. Please don't follow me because you have to do this properly and correctly. The next step, click Submit Answers. It will tell you whether the answer is correct or wrong. You may click the leaderboard to check your ranking and click back. And most importantly is to click Show Answers. And these are your answers, including the wrong ones. You need to click Correct Answers to find out the correct answers.